amazed by the works of nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Let us now witness the parade of the animal ambassadors. A round of applause for the parade of the animal ambassadors. Ayun, good afternoon everyone and mabuhay upareo po. And welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. My name is Kuya Boy and I'm your host for this afternoon po. Now some background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005 and we are in coordination with the DNR, DOT, and BAI. Now as a way of saying thank you for being with us on this living afternoon, we brought you the show where you will be our animal ambassadors and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna. Suna sa mga nakatayo po, upo lang po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to capture your animals while the show is ongoing po. Second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry, can we finish it up or finish it later after the show? And lastly, to those who take photos or videos or animals, folks, bawal po ang camera. Charot lang guys, very po ang camera. However, just turn off the box sa flash. Okay, because our animals here are light sensitive, so double check lang po natin ang ating mga cameras. Okay, now the reason why we call them animal ambassadors because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom to give you a message, and that is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and to not destroy their habitats. That's why, please help us with our mission in conserving them. By the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At mukhang ready na po sila sa likod, folks. And now, the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes! Asan ang energy yung mundo? Guys, I need your energy one more little bit. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Ayun, gusto kong energy sa inyo guys. Alright now folks, let's meet our 3 raptors. Una will giving you his welcome flight. Now may I call on Dominic, our Brahmini cat. Andiyan na si Dominic folks. Alright, now Dominic. Ano siya guys? There we go. Once again folks, that is Dominic, our Brahmini kite, or also known as the Banuk. Now Brahmini kites are the birds of prey, or raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to drag away, as you know this po. Kuya Dexter natin dito is wear a protective glove because all raptors have sharp and powerful talons. The raptors guys practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. And kumuha sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Palapakan po natin si Dominic guys. Alright now folks, ibigita natin ang ating second raptor. Natin ang tatawagin ang cute na si Kali, our eastern grass owl. At ayun siya guys. Kali. Yeah. Very once again folks, that is Kali, our eastern grass owl. The folks, grass owls are predatory birds. Did you know that they can able to turn their heads 270 degrees? Grass owls are nocturnal animals. Kaya naman, their very large eyes allow them to collect as much light as possible during nighttime when they hunt. Fun fact about this animal, they are the quietest birds when in flight. Hindi po natin maririnig ang kanilang mga papak kapag sila ay lumilipad. Palapakan po natin si Kali guys. Alright now folks, to our last raptor dito guys, medyo malaking ito folks sa mga raptors. Okay now, may I call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. At ayun na siya folks. There you go, once again folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Haliaetus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found here in coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. The white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines because their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanyang mga papak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na sila kas po. Palapagan po natin sila kas guys. Alright now folks, in the Philippines we have 51 species of raptors, but here in Davao, Crocodile Park, and we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahmini kite, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, at syempre ang ating eastern grass owl. Palapagan po natin ang ating mga raptors folks. Alright now sir, just take a seat muna. Ayan. Alright, tayo na suspect guys. Okay, upo lang po muna tayo mga guys ha. Okay now folks, uwi na sila. Siyempre, papakan natin na Kuya Jmar. Papapasalamat din na Kuya Jmar, Kuya Dexter, at siyempre si Kuya Michael. Alright now folks, so our next animal ambassador. Makulay po ito. At galing pa po itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may I call on Barak. There you go, once again guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Richie. Na Kuya Richie? Alright, once again guys, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Just like most other parents guys, si Barak ay may tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. So what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita yan ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called Ding 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 Ding! Kadang-kadang! Alright, ako, suot! And more time, that is zygodactyl feet in action po! To the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items so much you're going left, right, and bumba! Good boy! Barak, okay, dahil daw yan, syempre. High five muna to Kuya Richie. Now, high five. Alright, one more. High five. And there you go. Syempre guys, napaka-sweet at lambing ito na Barak guys. Tingnan niyo folks, ha? Alright, now Barak. Kiss to Kuya Richie daw, Ben. Sa kiss sa cheeks. Okay, kiss. O, pakis na Kuya Richie. Kiss. Wow! Syempre folks, mukhang nabitin. Sa tingin ko, mukhang nabitin daw si Kuya Richie ngayong hapon. Now, boy! Barak, kiss natin ulit si Kuya Richie, pero hindi na sa cheeks, ha? Saan gusto niyo, folks? Saan gusto niyo i-kiss si Kuya Richie? Ha? Hindi ko nakinig. Okay, saan gusto niyo? O, rinig ko yan, Kuya Richie. Okay, alam mo na yun, ha? Okay na, Barak! Ayan, kiss na natin si Kuya Richie. Pero sa kiss na, no? Kiss daw, eh? Kiss! Wow! Siyempre guys, hindi rin magpapahuli yung host. Kiss din ako, Kuya Richie, sa lips. Joke lang po. So, sabihin na yan, si Barak ay isang eco-warrior team who here segregates their trash. Ang sino dito ang nagsesegregate kung dalawang gusto na eco, tapos kamay. Wala nagsesegregate. Ngayong hapon, tuturuan tayo ni Barak paano mag-segregate na kanyang basura sa mga nandiyan, Kuya Richie. We have, ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable na bubulong po. And also we have a non-biodegradable or hindi nabubulok po at mukhang na-check na ni Barak yung dalawa nating basura at mukhang gumagana naman. Now, Richie, ready na? At the count of 3 na mga basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Alright, na po, unang kukunin ni Barak guys, a piece of plastic which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable. Good boy! Ang kukunin ni Barak, it's another piece of plastic naman which is gonna go to non-biodegradable bin na dalawang basura ko. And this time, a piece of leaf, dahon, which is going to non-biodegradable bin. At 1 piece of trash boy, leaf or dahon, saan nga nilalagay ang dahon? Non-biodegradable bin. Si Barak guys, as you can see guys, kung kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre, kaya din natin folks. Sana itularan natin si Barak guys. Okay! Alright, of course, at dahil galing pa na Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya. Okay na mga mom and sir, mga atas, mga kuyas, wave bye-bye! Ito Barak na po, wave bye-bye! Everybody, wave bye-bye! Alright, na Barak, bye-bye na sila sa Barak. Okay, tayo din, wave bye-bye na everyone. Bye-bye na Barak, wave bye-bye! Barak, wave bye-bye na! Sige na, wave bye-bye! Anak, Barak, wave bye-bye! Apoy! Okay! Boy, isang bye-bye na bye-bye! Hala ka! Barak, isang bye-bye na mo! Barak! Hala ka, Kuya Richie, ayaw niyo mag-bye. One more, last time yun! Wave bye! Apoy na folks, ibig sabihin yan guys, he wants to stay in the show. Pero again folks, we need to highlight our other animals naman to. Okay, once again folks, that is Barak, our living gold macaw with Kuya Richie. Palapakan po natin silang dalawa. Thank you so much to both of you. Okay, by the way folks, blue and gold macaw are the 4th largest macaw in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now let's proceed now to our next animal ambassador. Pure black po ito. Alam po, nakikita niyo din yan kanina folks. So may I call on George. And there you go. Once again folks, that is George, our black cockatoo, or also known as the Gulayan Kakatubo. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. The folks, unfortunately, almost 100,000 hectares of their home have been destroyed.
Susunod na nakatiralis sa Black Pong Kakatuno guys, Bailey Tropical Rain Forest Folk. And this day, George will show us how to help from the story song by showing us how to plant the trees. Mga kakatunos, George, ngayong hapon sa bago gagawin yan. Pwede mga kagaling ni George at Kuya Jimar. And we have 2 songs. And syempre, we have 2 branches. Alright now. Boy, are you ready? Alright now, Kuya Jimar, lapok na natin yung nakakaho. Ayan. Kasi Kuya Jimar, lang natin ha. Ayan, ang paniniba, let's set ulam. O saan natin itatalim? Doon sa empty. Okay, ayan, slowly but surely. And there you go. Siyempre, bibigyan ng leads niya ni Kuya Jimar. Okay, may isa pa po yan. Pero hintayin muna natin po sa gitna. Ayan na, one more. Ayan. Okay, patingin-tingin po sa inyo puso. Okay, ayan na. Siyempre, saan natin itamit ito sa empty na soil. Yes. There you go. Thank you so much, George, for helping our monitor herd. Because little impact, they use their nests as it brings in small branches. Unlike other cockatoos that they use their nests as it brings at ngayong hapon, papakita ni George ang kanyang nesting behavior by bringing a paper map. So bago natin gagawin yan, hindi tayo mag-volunteer ngayong hapon. Kaya need more adult volunteer po. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? Okay, uncle, kailangan natin. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? May gusto ba? Kayo dyan mo. Nagkayaan dyan mo. Kayo. Asan? Ay, ikaw, ma'am. Sige, gusto. Okay, alright. No, ma'am, dito po tayo, ma'am. Ito lang gagawin. Dala ka lang ng paper, ma'am po. Ay, 20 pesos, ma'am. Bigyan mo siya ng paper. Don't you worry. Ibabalik po yan ni George. Hindi kayo mag-alala. Okay, yung jacket mo lang, ma'am, ha? Alright, dito po tayo, ma'am. Okay? Okay po yun. Ha? Alright, dito po tayo. Ay, wala paper, ma'am. Kailangan boys pala yan. Oh, yes po. Yung papel talaga. Okay, pwede na yan. Okay, dito po tayo, ma'am. Sorry, hindi ko nakita. Ma'am, just follow lang po sa instruction ni Kuya Dexter ating, ha? Alright. Medyo natatakot kasi ito si Juji. Na Kuya, pag-ready na si Mom, just thumbs up lang po, ha? And Kuya Jimar. Okay. Alright, kaya muna natin si Kuya Dexter natin po. Okay kasi si George yung mga long sleeve, guys. Okay, ayan na. Ma'am, relax ka lang talaga, ha? Ate, relax ka lang. Alright, now George, get the paper, mommy. And there you go. Bulat. Ayan, balik kay Kuya Jimar. Alright, now ate, alin SS kanina, ibabalik po yan ni George. Okay. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ayan, alright, now benta natin si George kahit sa akin. Hawag. Okay, sabali na natin kay ate. Ayan. Ayun, tinignan ko si ate. Ay, ano ba? Hindi ko rin ako. Hindi ko ka mahira. Sayang yun eh. Ako, ilipat tayo. Okay, ito isa pa. Hindi ko naman magbabalik ka na, ha? Okay, di ba? And there you go. Thank you so much for participating in the St. Patrick's Day. Parang pagat po natin si ate, guys. The books, before we say goodbye to George, sana po ay pangalagaan po natin ang ating kalikasan po. So that's all for George. Palakpakan po natin sila. Let's get you more out si Kuya Dexter. Now folks, to our next animal ambassador. Bakang-bakang ko sa ating folks. Atin ang tatawagin agad, our newly trained na si Beauty. Wow! And there you go, once again, folks. That is Beauty, our sulfur-crested cockatoo with a scientific name of Kakatua galireta. And they can be found in Australia and New Guinea. No guys, sulfur-crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga sulfur-crested cockatoo spread their wings and left their crest as part of an panliligaw sa babaeng cockatoo, but it also an act of discouraging other male to court female sulfur-crested cockatoo. At ngayong hapon guys, Papakita yan ni Beauty. Now, Beauty, show them what you got, girl. Alright, now, spread your wings. And there you go. Okay, one more. Okay, isa pa. Mukhang nag-beating pa sila. And there you go. Alright, now folks, as part of fitness enrichment, Cactus Lupin branches as a form of exercise and playing around to ease their boredom. Now, Kuya Michael, anong gagawin ni Beauty kapag siya'y nababagot? And there you go. That is their natural behavior. Even sa walang gas. And lastly, folks, just like any other birds, Beauty also has zygodactyl feet, just like barak po. At Beauty, pati zygodactyl feet ulit nga ba? At makikita yan ni Beauty. And guys, and there you watch them post out the zygodactyl feet active po to the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. At syempre, ang dyan yung tricks ni Beauty, guys. Folks, and that's all for Beauty. Palakpakan po natin at syempre si Kuya Michael. Ayan, hindi lang muna natin sa Lipox. At kaya, ba't na Kuya Michael? And there you go. Alright, once again guys, palakpakan po natin. Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. Alright, now folks, so our next animal ambassador, ito kasi po ito nila ni George at ni Beauty, guys. Kami ay puting-puting po ito. Just like a cloud. So may I call on Jumbo. Is Jumbo, our umbrella crested cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. The folks, did you know the reason of global warming is due to the pollution coming from our transportation? And this afternoon, he will show us some alternative ways to lessen our carbon footprints by using a ding 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 bicycle. Alright, now Jumbo, Sakay, and lots of other boy. Focus, please. I was here today. What a good boy, Jumbo. That's to the kids out there. Or maybe sa ating mga adults who still don't know how to ride a bicycle. Nothing to worry about, no, because we also have a scooter. Ay, di ba? Mabay, kaya di mag-scooter na sa Jumbo. Sakay mo natin. Sabi ko na kaya, ikaw talaga Jumbo. You see guys, even your animals not welcome under nature. You can also play with a goose and use to recycle at before goose and some alternative ways for your transportation. And that's all for Jumbo. Oh, palakpakan po natin sila sa Kuya. Alright, folks, here we go. Crocodile Park is we have 4 species of cockatoos po. 1 is the sulfur crested cockatoo, 2 is the umbrella crested cockatoo, 3 is the black palm cockatoo, and 4 is the Bulukan cockatoo po. Now, ang ating next nating tatawagin yun, folks, they call them the alarm clock of the rainforest, the Calao, the Philippine Great Hornbill. Now, si Mr. Bill. Now, come here, boy. Again, so guys. Good. Siyempre po, si Didi dyan magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. Ayun. Now, once again, folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindanao, Mindanao-andensis, meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see, guys, their bills are ang kanilang mga tuka. It comprises 30% of its body. And also, they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga piling mata. Girls, legit na legit yan ha, hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extension. Alright now guys, ngayong hamon, magpapakitang gilas sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now guys, at the count of 3, you need to shout, fly. Okay, what's the word? Fly. Let's practice first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and fly. One more energy. 1, 2, 3, and fly. Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya Jimar, Kuya Richie. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and fly.
What a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni lalaking kalaw, ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talagang po, sabihin pa sa ating mga kalaw, may forever, no? Tapos sa mga single ladies out there, ay naghahanap kayo ng forever, so alam na natin ha, nandito lang ang... Nandito lang ang... Hindi, sa mga trainers. Sige folks, magpapakita ng Venus Ballet ang ating mga kalaw na folks. Prepare your cameras, mabilis na to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! And that is our Philippine Green Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw. The alarm flag of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palapagan po natin ang ating mga kalaw po. Siyempre, ang ating dalawang Kulias. Alright, now folks, fun fact about hornbills. Unlike most birds walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Alright now folks, moving on na tayo sa ating next animal ambassador. 3-in-1 po ito. But before that, I have a question. Okay, now first question. What animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cats, pusa, kung sa Bisaya pa. Okay, second question. Listen carefully, okay? Second question. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is dog, what kind of animal is Winnie?
Bear.
Anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Sino nagsabi ng poo? May sabi po si Winnie, ha? Okay, anong klaseng hayop si Winnie? Bear. Okay, last question. What kind of animal?
Si Winnie ang yellow.
Ang kamukha na katabi niyo ngayon?
Bear ganun.
Grabe si Mama na kayo. Ha? Ano ba ang joke ng boys? Pag-girlfriend guys, ating next animal ambassador, he has a face like a cat. The body like a bear, the very impressive tail like a monkey. I mean, right, good attention. To the left side, and back is Teddy, our Palawan bear. Alright, once again folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat, with his scientific name of Arcticus pinturong, locally known as pinturong guys. Now folks, did you know that their tail can act as a pendulum? Meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasi galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanyang tail. Same sa mga monkey at ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Alright, now Teddy, are you ready to get one? Wait lang natin folks, at ayan na, ready na si Teddy. Hanap muna ng pwesa, ayan na. Ayan siya guys. Very good, that is prehensile tail in action po. They're doing that to the wild to get some birds hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy first. Alright now guys, pay attention to your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno.